Have you ever noticed that the longer you wait to do a thing, the greater the odds that you will never do those things? I started my business with just 30,000 naira that was given to me by my neighbor. That was all I had. No investors, no connections, just a big vision and a hunger to succeed. But let me tell you what I've discovered in my 15 years of entrepreneurial journey. Having an idea isn't enough. In fact, passion alone is also not enough. I quickly realized that without the right strategy, businesses fail, and the numbers don't lie. In fact, 90% of businesses fail in their first 5 years, and 42% of businesses fail due to lack of market demands. I was on the edge of failure until I discovered the formula that changes everything. And the secret, not just working hard, but working smart with the right blueprint. Which is why I've created the Vision to Venture Blueprint. It's a step-by-step workshop designed to help you start a business, launch, scale, and dominate your industries. So this is not just another workshop. It is a battle-tested framework that has helped countless entrepreneurs like you to build and scale businesses with confidence. So are you ready to turn your vision into a thriving venture? Seats are limited. Click below to sign up now.